Welcome to the University of Oklahoma. I'm President Joe Harris, and I'm so excited that you're here. OU is home to one of the most beautiful campuses in the country, where rich history, academic excellence, innovative culture, and bustling student life meet. It's here that you'll find a true life-changing experience. Our Norman campus is home to 22,000 undergraduates who share the same goal you have, to succeed together. I truly believe you can find your future here. Welcome to OU.
Hello, I'm Ashton and I want to show you the South Oval. This is where many of our students will hang out between classes. There's always something going on here, like events, students slacklining, relaxing in a hammock, walking their dog, playing ultimate frisbee, you name it. It also holds many of our academic buildings on campus. My favorite part is that on top of Lynn Hall, there's an observatory where all students can use the state-of-the-art telescope to observe the night sky. The South Oval is also home to our iconic seed sower statue, who sows seeds of knowledge throughout the university.
Hi there, my name is Joseph and I am going to take you inside the Bizzell Memorial Library, also known as the Biz. Let's go. One of my favorite parts about this place is the great reading room. It's beautiful and is definitely one of the best study spots on campus. Not only is our library historic, it's also extremely innovative. Here you can find a makerspace where you can 3D print, code, engrave, or basically design anything your mind can make up. Holmberg Hall is one of many theaters in our Fine Arts District, where I call home as musical theater major. This district puts on over 400 concerts, recitals, exhibitions, and performances every year. One of the best parts of campus is the Fred Jones Jr. Museum of Art, which features works by Monet, Renoir, Van Gogh, and has an impressive collection of Native American art.
Hi, my name's Justin, my pronouns are he, him, his, and now I want to show you the heart of our beautiful campus, the Oklahoma Memorial Union. This is essentially the living room of campus. The upper floors of the Union are home to offices dedicated to ensuring that all students make the most of their OU experience. Becoming a part of the OU family means stepping into an atmosphere where all identities are welcomed and valued. The first floor of the Union is full of great spaces to meet up with friends, study, and get some delicious food. And let's not forget about all the epic events held here at the Union. Foam parties, late night snacks, movies in our on-campus theater, laser tag, talent competitions, and so much more. It's also home to our school's official mascot, the Sooner Schooner.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Coach Lincoln Riley with the football team here at the University of Oklahoma. I want to welcome you here to one of the greatest universities in the country and let you know that we can't wait to see you out here supporting our team and becoming a great member of this university. Boomer.